Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Shopify admin on mobile, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have the Shopify app installed on your mobile device. Open the Shopify app from your home screen. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted with the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your store's URL in the provided field. Make sure to type the full URL, including .myshopify.com. After entering the URL, tap Next to proceed. Now, you'll see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the email field. Next, type your password in the designated password field. If you've forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once your email and password are entered, tap on the Login button. The app may prompt you for two-factor authentication if it's enabled. If so, enter the verification code sent to your authentication method. After you've successfully entered the code, you will gain access to your Shopify admin. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the admin dashboard. You can now manage your store directly from your mobile device. If you want to log out later, navigate to your account settings. Select Log Out to exit your Shopify admin safely. That's it. You're now logged into Shopify admin on your mobile device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.